manager, Sister Manjusha, principal, sisters, teachers, and all the Ramneeites present here. Building families away from your own is not easy. In this world of XYZ and millennials, thank you for tolerating us, dear sisters. Thank you, Sister Manjusha, for placing your trust in us and for giving this year a chance to end successfully. I'd also like to thank Sister Shiva for her gracious presence here in Ramnee. May you see all your best seasons of life. Words cannot be enough to thank you, dear sisters, for whatever you have done for us. A word of thanks to Sister Adelaide, Sister Elaine, Sister Tarcisia, and Sister Anne for your selfless attitude and for looking after us as your own. Your presence itself means a lot. Thank you, Sister Nirmala and Sister Caroline, for taking care of us. Special thanks to all the scoldings without which humility would be far-fetched. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sister Maria, Sister Cheryl, Sister Shirley, and Sister Canola for creating our edifice. Of course, we spent more time being a Ramneeite. Without you, we would be living in a world full of dreams. Thank you.